With SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics, you can generate your electrical design in a project format quite easily. You can generate different types of drawings, from line drawings to scheme drawings and more. When creating a wire diagram, you can add symbols from a standard symbols library that you can customize even further. You can add properties to these symbols that can be reused and can move with the component throughout the design. This will allow you to save time and have a more accurate design. You can add other information to the drawing as well, supporting information like sketches. Connecting the symbols using a cable allows you to complete this drawing. You can add the manufacturing information to the cables and reserve them to ensure the correct cables are used in the design at the correct place. Not all components will be in the same place. With electrical schematics, you can add a location and reassign components to the correct location to ensure clarity across all drawings. Moving to the schematics design, you can add wires and symbols to complete the design. Wires in SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics is more than just adding lines to a sketch or a drawing. They are intelligent and react in the way you'd expect wires to react. They can split into different segments and connect to components or other wires. Adding in the rest of the symbols is easy, thanks to the standard library that you can use. And since some of the components have already been created, assigning the component information to the symbol ensure an accurate design. Here you can see that the symbol can show a reference table to display where the component is being used everywhere in your design. When we create our designs, we sometimes need to recreate something that has been created before. Reusing elements from previous designs and having the ability to correctly match them with the correct locations will save you time. If the design continues on other drawings, adding in these origin destination arrows will make sure that the drawing reads correctly and that the references on the second page link up correctly. SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics allows you to generate the numbers for your wires automatically with an out-of-the-box numbering scheme. It also allows you to recalculate your numbers once you have made changes to your design. Using the design rule check allows you to check for problems or things that could have been missed in your design. Like, are there any wires without a number? Or are there any components that does not have a manufacturing part information added to it? For example, these terminals. When working with terminals, you can add the manufacturer part as well as identify what cables will be used where. From this dialog box, you can also generate the terminal strip drawings. This automation ensures that you have accurate drawings based on what's existing in the design, and it saves a lot of time since you only have to push this one button to generate the drawings. To save even more time, you can have the software automatically generate the drawings with all the reports that would be needed to complete the project. The reports will be generated by SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics, looking at all the components, symbols, wires and cables that have been used and where they've been used in the design, making them accurate too. To complete this, you can export the document to a PDF that will include active hyperlinks to the symbols used in the drawing. SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics, saving you time when creating your electrical projects.